Every day, the freight transportation sector connects Canadians with the goods they need from across the country and around the world, while connecting Canadian businesses with global markets. If you're in the freight transportation business, you cover a lot of distance to make Canada and the world a little smaller. All this movement requires a lot of energy. Since 1990, energy consumption in Canada's freight sector has risen 75%. If you're a truck carrier, a logistics provider, or a shipping company, you're probably looking for ways to reduce your fuel consumption, increase efficiencies across your supply chain, and show leadership in creating an environmentally sustainable organization. It's important for your bottom line and for the health of our environment. But with a lack of industry-wide data, how do you know where and by how much you can improve? Or whether you're already a leader in your industry? Not too long ago, some of the world's biggest freight shippers and carriers were asking the same questions. They were looking for smart ways to reduce their fuel consumption and cut their emissions production. The result was the development of SmartWay, a private-public program launched by the EPA to benchmark operations and emissions production. After success in the US, SmartWay officially came to Canada in 2012, and with the recent joining of Mexico, now spans all of North America. SmartWay is built on the concept that you can't manage what you can't measure. The free program provides a robust set of tools to track, calculate, and compare fuel consumption and GHG emissions across the industry. SmartWay allows carriers to benchmark their efficiency and emissions against industry peers with similar operations, while tracking year-over-year performance. SmartWay also allows logistics and shipping companies to easily calculate the energy efficiency and carbon footprint of their supply chain. The valuable data captured by SmartWay helps participating truck carriers make strategic decisions about improving performance, like whether they should invest in new equipment, training, or other initiatives, such as an anti-idling program. At the same time, SmartWay is helping freight shippers identify which carriers they should work with and providing analysis of how modal shifts can lead to improved performance. Today, there are over 3,500 carriers, logistics companies, and shippers who participate in SmartWay across North America. Together, they represent over 2,400 trucking fleets, 800,000 trucks on the road, and 88 billion kilometers logged every year. SmartWay has also had a global impact, with similar initiatives launched right around the world. If you're a Canadian freight transportation company, it's easy and free to participate in SmartWay. Companies interested in joining SmartWay are provided with a partner account manager who personally guides them through each step of the process. And the data SmartWay requires is information that's already generally tracked, such as the number of kilometers driven and the amount of fuel used. The fact is, by becoming a SmartWay partner, you can save money, lower your fuel use, and reduce your emissions. It's all part of building a more profitable business and a smarter, more sustainable Canadian freight sector. To find out more, visit www.smartway.nrcan.gc.ca.